Networking is one of the biggest ways we can all organically grow our resources. A lot of us are either too uncomfortable or too busy to figure out how to do it effectively. But don't worry, I'm Kyla from Venngage, and today we're going to talk about what networking is, how it helps an entrepreneur find success, and get some tips on how to not make it as awkward. So, what is networking? The action or process of interacting with others to exchange information and develop professional or social contacts. We're talking about that type of networking where you go, talk, walk around, and then you get the resource that you wanted in the first place. Let's talk up some tips for networking. Networking tip number 1, find your tribe. Finding people to meet is half the battle. Here's where to start. Facebook groups. Go to Facebook groups and type in some keywords related to your industry. This will give you access to groups filled with people all talking about the same issues you're looking to connect with. Networking tip number 2, give more than you take. Once you meet these people, develop and share helpful resources with them. We call that adding value. Introduce that friend who's looking for a way to get a small business loan to that friend who actually started a small business. By always having something to offer, you'll become someone people want around, and they may respond to you with that same energy. Here I want to be resourceful and share with you a valuable tool called Venngage. It provides pre-designed templates for any infographics that you can possibly think of. You can edit these templates using the free online editor, and download them in any format you like. Networking tip number 3, slide into DMs. To slide into someone's DM is to send a direct message to someone on Twitter or Instagram confidently, smoothly, and thirstily. But instead of trying to randomly chat, now it's about trying to get a resource. Start by introducing yourself, who you are, what you do, and what the goal is that you're working toward. Set up a reason for why you reached out, like I saw your most recent talk, I saw a recent tweet, my friend knows you, etc., etc. Be intentional about who you connect with. I'm not going to reach out to Beyonce unless I have a great reason to reach out to her. And even though it would take a lot of time to get there, find that person who wrote an article you returned to, or in a YouTube series you followed up with, or a conference you recently attended. Those have one of the best turnarounds. Don't just randomly pick people from a crowd. Find somebody that you know about, that you've done your research on, and that you know. You can bring value to the conversation. Be upfront, keep it quick, and make it goal-oriented. These are busy people. Make it worth their time to provide a valuable conversation. And that's a wrap for today's quick guide. Try using Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next one.